Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to set any web browser as your default PDF viewer on your Windows 11 PC. For this, select any PDF file on your Windows PC, then right click on it, then select this one Open with option, and then click on Choose another app. In the pop-up window, select your preferred browser such as Google Chrome, or you can select any other as you wish, and then click on this one Always button. Now PDF viewer will be your selected web browser. That means whenever you will double click on any PDF file on your Windows 11 PC, it will automatically open with that particular web browser that you have set as default.